Hello. Today I want to talk about the objection of money. That sometimes we introduce the business to some of our friends, and sometimes they say that, I don't have money. I think that they don't understand that this is a business, and with less than $1,000 they are going to start up a business that they can make a lot of money in this way. So money should not be a problem. Sometimes even I ask that, are you sure you understood the business? Do you want me to introduce you again everything, I explain again everything? You are going to make money. Even if you don't have the money, this is the right time and the right place for you to be in, and you make the money outside. We don't want that after a while that we get together again, let's do this, let's do that, let's work on this. I don't have money, I don't have money. So put your money once and you make your money back, and then you create a potential that you do a business and you start making money for all of your life with this business. I guess if you believe in network marketing, if you go and search, you will see that so many people are making money. When you believe in it, then less than $1,000 is not a big deal to start up a business. We should understand that it's a business. With less than $1,000, you can make a lot of money. Thank you so much.